In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and organize your Udemy courses effectively. Whether you're a curious learner amassing knowledge or someone who's purchased numerous courses over time, keeping your dashboard clean and organized is key. We're diving into the process of archiving any courses you no longer need immediate access to. This can help streamline your view and allow you to focus on the courses that are your current priority. It's an easy task, and I'll guide you step by step. First, you want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Udemy website. While this may be a familiar starting point for many, make sure you're on the right site to ensure a smooth process. Once you're there and logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page where your journey into countless learning opportunities often begins. Next, direct your attention towards the top menu. You're looking for the My Learning tab, which is essentially your personal library of courses. Clicking on this tab will take you to a comprehensive list of all the courses you've enrolled in. This page is your main area of course management, a place that shows both your active studies and those courses that might have fallen by the wayside over time. As you scroll through your list, think about which courses you no longer need to see on the main page just yet. Archiving is not about losing these courses, but simply tidying up your immediate view. Once you've decided on a course you'd like to archive, cast your gaze over the right side of its entry. You'll notice a subtle icon, typically represented by 3 small dots in a vertical row, often referred to as the More Options menu on digital platforms. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down list of options relevant to that particular course. Among these options, you'll see Archive. Selecting this will effectively remove the course from your main My Learning view and place it into your archive for safekeeping. Rest assured, you're not deleting the course from your account. You can access it anytime by exploring the archive section, easily added to your workflow if needed in the future. And there you go. This simple process allows you to maintain an uncluttered and efficient course dashboard, making your learning path just a bit smoother. With courses neatly organized, you're free to focus on the journey of learning without distractions. Remember, you can always retrieve archived courses whenever necessary by heading over to your settings and accessing the Archived Courses section. By staying organized and managing your learning environment well, you ensure that your focus remains sharp on your educational goals. Thanks for joining me today in taming your Udemy dashboard, and happy learning.